Publishing an e-newsletter and blog is easier when you don't have to do it all yourself. As an executive coach or leadership trainer, you know you must have a strong quality web presence, a regular e-newsletter, and be blogging frequently. Where do you find the time to read the latest business books, Harvard Business Review, and write, format, and manage your email subscriptions and blog? Competition is fierce. These days, there are way too many executive coaches around, many of them less educated and less experienced than you. Some of them market aggressively. The key is to publish as much quality content on the web with newsletters and blogs so you get found, get known, and get the business leads you deserve. For a reasonable fee, Dr. Patsy Krakoff does the research, ghostwrites, formats and distributes e-zines, writes blog content, and white papers. Click over to the subscriptions page. Take a look at article topics available for purchase. Smart executive coaches love this service because it saves them time and makes them look good. If you've ever wondered how you can use web marketing the smart way, email your questions to pkrakoff@gmail.com. Dr. Krakoff specializes in content marketing for coaches.